Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to swap out the laser head. Check for cracks, see if it's needing cleaning and alcohol, or if you need to do anything else with it. I'm also going to take this laser head and clean it. At the very end, I'll kind of talk about some tips and tricks for getting more power. Sometimes you'll cut boards and you'll notice that it's not cutting as much on the same power settings. So if stick around to the end, you'll get to see some of that information. But overall, this one is mostly just how to swap out the laser head. If you need tips on cleaning the video or cleaning the laser head, just jump over to the next video that I had a few months ago, and it'll show you the process for cleaning the laser entirely. And then I have another video for actually cleaning the X-ray machine, or the laser machine itself. So if you go inside, I'll show you how to lubricate the bars and the rails and how to do all that stuff. So today we're gonna kind of focus on swapping out the lasers, the actual glass piece that comes with it. So just to show you a few things, I'm gonna grab those. The glass piece I'm talking about is the lens. All right, so first thing first, you wanna take this off the side, clean this off. So if it's dirty, go ahead and give this a good clean. If you need to watch how to do that, watch my other video. I kind of discussed the whole process for that. What we're ultimately doing today is we're gonna focus on taking this lens, we're gonna pop this off, replace that with the new one. And then I'll show you if I have any signs of wear or tear on this that you should be looking for. All right, let's start this. So I have the new laser head here. What we want to do is we want to take this off. Just twist. It'll eventually come off here. All right, let's pop open this new one. I don't know if you can tell the difference in this. This one's a little dirty. This one I can not even see. So what we'll do is we'll take this and place it on here. There we go. And with this one, what you want to do, you'll take this. Well, if you don't drop it and break it, put in some alcohol and let it soak. Right here, if you look really closely, I don't know if you can see it, you can see where the laser's been shooting through, right in the center. That stuff will come off most likely with the alcohol. If it's cracked, you're just gonna wanna throw it away. It's no good anymore, and you'll eventually have to buy some more of these. I know with my xTool set, it came with 2 laser lenses to put on here, so just keep that in mind. I'm gonna take this one and put somewhere separate for now. Just swapped out the laser head on that. That was a quick, easy process. Few things I want to talk about is if it has a crack, toss the lens. If it just got that little like burn mark in it, throw in some alcohol. Some isopropyl alcohol like you use for cutting or an infection. If you played the old Nintendo games, you used to use with Q-tips. So as far as other power issues, so if you're cutting your boards and you're not getting enough power, one of the things you might want to do is change the filter on your air assist. I was reading some comments about that. Someone had swapped out the filter. I guess the way it was pulling in air wasn't pushing enough pressure, so it wasn't cutting as good. So that's one fix you can do, swapping out the laser head, cleaning your laser. And then sometimes it's just the material you're using, so make sure you look into that.